Welcome to the mix, and making it in today's news is Gracie, as she comes out on social media to express her feelings towards Anne-Marie and what was said about recordings. Gracie stated that in the state of New York, it is legal to record someone while you're having a conversation with them, and she talked about a thing. So stay tuned. Like, share, and comment on this channel. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Here is a preview of the video.
No, them must two of them or three of them or them. The rest of them yet. And the other come on one last seat. Them not make him yet. I'm not playing only come on to me. Gracie platform. Oh yes, she was a moderator over there. Me don't know. I don't know, Mama. That for sure you all people is. That for sure you all people is, sweetie. She was a moderator. Oh really? Me never know.
You know what? Them never get it right yet. Whenever anybody over here, moderator, anybody over here, have you ever seen me put Lady V as a moderator over my platform over here? Have you ever seen me put Lady V as a moderator over here on my platform? Anybody ever seen that before? No, me ask, when Lady V comment sometime, I moderator them when Missy Blue, I won't have to call her name in the comment section, and then Missy say Lady V there. Sometimes today I never say, sometimes them, anybody over here, sometimes I never see, I will not, everybody I call them name now, me will still not comment and call the people them name and I see them. This lady now, no sir.
No. Oh, you thought it was Lauren she was talking about? No, it was Erica. It was Erica, Lady V over there chat. Anna Guan. Anna Lauren. Erica. But then go let me tell you guys, this anything will come out when you come out to Anne-Marie 360 and Laurie and them crucify we. Because we name easy for call and easy for spell. But look, Lady V, I'm say a two-person come out is a G lady and when name they come out and a Jessie. Two-person. You hear me say the G lady and there's a male came out and a Jessie. She was, well, me never know, I never know. But I take it away from her. She too damn hypocritical. Yes, Lady V. No, Lady V was talking about Lauren. When? This morning? Lauren, me say Lauren, if you take a bag of feces and put in a bag and seal it straight in a Lady V mouth.
When me do my video them, if you don't have no history, I don't know nothing about the topic when me talk about, do not debate with me in the comment section. Before me come and talk about certain things, I do my research. I will not say Gracie go check back to say if it's illegal to record somebody in a New York. No, it's not illegal to record anybody in New York. Every state have them different laws. It is not illegal as long as you and the person in the conversation. If you call me or me call you and you want to record me, it's not illegal. As long as you're a part of the conversation. In the state of New York, it's not illegal. In the state of Maryland, where them live, it is illegal. So don't run me down on things when I never research or I never go look up for yourself. Go look you up for yourself. When you have phone, go ask Siri or go and Google things. Go and ask things and don't run up and down upon here and someone don't know one attacks and just ready for the say bandwagon is on a jump and bandwagon is on someone our followers on a leader. Anything people say, wanna run with it and things are facts. And so you go. Get facts. See it here, New York wiretapping law is one party consent law. So if you have somebody in the conversation in New York, as long as them in the conversation too, and them are tape you, they cannot do nothing. When the woman over there said the record me, I saw me learn it. Things have to happen for you learn. when Newman over Bronx. Yeah, that can record me when me I talk to her. I wanted to take a legal legal right against it, and I couldn't because I wanted to take legal action against it, and I couldn't because New York is a one side. As long as she know the conversation too with you cannot do or nothing in the state of New York. Maybe in the state of Maryland or another state, but not in the state of New York. Every state have them different law, and we are